Okay, this is Doreen's instructional video uploading files to her blog. Take 3, but you don't need to know that. Okay, so make sure you're logged onto your Movable Type blog screen as usual, as yourself, not as RG Daniel. And go to your blog as usual, and you'll see this stuff as usual. What we want is upload file. And this will bring up a dialog that will allow us to choose the file from our hard drive. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one that I have as an example right here. And it should be a JPEG usually. And that will put the path to that file in this area. And you can leave this blank and select upload. I've already done this, so I'm going to overwrite the existing file. You won't see that. So in this next dialog, it says you can either create a new entry or just show me the code for it and I'll put it into an existing entry. In this case, we can say create a new entry, and we're going to essentially create a thumbnail for it in order that we can have access to this these numbers. And what you want to put here, I suggest, is no wider than 500 pixels. So just, I would say 500 by 500, and if you constrain proportions it will be still the right shape, but no bigger than 500 on either side. And we will make this embedded, so it's just going to put a nice good sized image right in your blog, and we won't play around with pop-ups and stuff. And that will bring up the create new entry dialog, at which point we can give it a name called Bob's New Saw. Here it is, because I already did it once. You pick your category as usual. Here is our image code already in place, so you can just come down below that and say here is Bob's new saw, although it's still in the crate. He's very excited about it. And everything else as usual, except comments or not, you can leave that, that's fine. Make sure it's published, and we'll preview to make sure it looks okay. And there it is. Here's Bob's new saw, blah blah blah. And so we can now save this entry, and we can view site. And there is our exciting new blog post with an image right in it. And I'm trying to turn it off now. How do I stop this thing?